Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to our channel. Today we will learn about uses of noun. Use of noun. Noun. Noun is the name of person, place or things. Noun is the name of person, place or things. Let's discuss some examples. Use of noun. Sana goes to school. Here Sana is noun. Use of noun. I live in Karachi. Here Karachi is noun. Use of noun. This is my chair. In this sentence, chair is noun. Please subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon to never miss an update. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.